How to market a restaurant in Fort Collins. If you're running a restaurant in Fort Collins, you know that the competition is fierce. With so many dining options available, it is crucial to market your restaurant to stand out, attract customers, and get previous ones to return. In this quick guide, we'll share some tips and tricks for effective restaurant marketing in Fort Collins. Competitive analysis. It's vital to know your audience. Who are you catering to? Families, college students, tourists? Conduct market research to determine your target audience's preferences, behaviors, and needs. Leverage social media marketing. One of the most powerful marketing tools available today is social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are great for reaching customers and engaging with your followers. Make sure your social media content is visually appealing, engaging, and aligned with your brand. Consider running paid social media ads and engaging with your followers regularly to increase your reach. Collaborating with influencers and bloggers is another effective way to increase your reach and attract new customers. Optimize your website. Make sure your website is well designed and optimized for search engines, including high quality photos, menus, and reviews to entice customers. Don't forget to optimize your website for local search by including your restaurant's name, address, and phone number on every page. Events and promotions. Hosting events and promotions is a great way to attract customers and build buzz around your restaurant. Consider hosting happy hours, live music, or holiday-themed specials. Collaborate with other local businesses to cross-promote your restaurant and increase your reach. Marketing your restaurant in Fort Collins takes effort and dedication, but with the right approach, you can attract more customers and build a loyal following. If you are having trouble gaining new customers or retaining previous ones, consider contacting KCOA Group for a complimentary consultation. KCOA Group can help you develop a marketing strategy or stunning website that is tailored specifically to your restaurant's unique needs. KCOA Group, affordable custom web design and digital marketing.